Hey friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, let's take a look at what is on my Amazon wish list right now. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe. Alrighty friends, let's kick up with number one. Okay, so number one is this Bohemian kind of rug here. Now, I love this for my entryway. I have almost, not a circular, but it definitely has some curve to it, my entryway. And I have a round rug there now. It is jute, but I do love it. However, I just want something a little different. I've been checking this out. Now, if you are interested, it comes in the form of a runner and a big square rug. You can get it a variety of different sizes. And to me, $79 is not that bad. It has some pretty good reviews. So I have really just been checking this out. Right, and number two, in that same entryway, I want a nice console table. I have one there now, but listen, I have learned I need a table that has drawers. It allows me to kind of hide some of my junk and clutter and things. And I really like the way this one looks. Now, this is not my favorite, which is why I haven't just kind of bit the bullet and ordered it. I'm looking for something just slightly different. However, have you guys ever experienced that? I know what I want, I just don't know what I want. Like, I have a vague idea of what it is, I just don't know, I haven't seen it. But until I find it, I feel like this will work great. Alright, number three. Now this is another wood console table. I actually had added this to my list first until I just kind of, told myself I need something with a drawer. However, this is very simple and basic and I feel like it doesn't do a lot, which is kind of what I want for my entryway. I do like it. I like the fact that it is 46 inches wide, so it would fit perfectly. But like I said, I think I'm leaning towards a console table with drawers. Number four. Okay, so down one of the hallways of my home where all the bedrooms are located, there's just kind of this blank wall that almost faces the entryway. So I have a sort of like a storage table there now, but I'm over it. I don't like it. I want something different. So I saw this set of two black storage cabinets and I actually like them. Now keep in mind, this is a set of two, so you don't have to get two, or you are able to divide them up and use them in separate areas of your home. But I just thought that they looked very chic and polished. I like that one little gold handle. I think this would work perfectly, and bonus, it gives me a lot of storage if I open those cabinet doors, so I'm really interested in this. Also, for $130, I don't think it's that bad of a buy. So at number five, I added this gold arc floor lamp to the list. Now this is not actually something that's on my list anymore. I actually purchased this. I didn't get this exact brand, and I have to say the one that I got I like just a little bit better. It actually has a white marble base as opposed to the black one, but I do love this. It's like an arc style, so you're gonna have that swoop there. I have mine in my formal living room where I have gray couches, but you can use this really all over your home. This one is around $152. I think mine was right around there. I think it was $160, but a great purchase that I absolutely love. Number six. So this is something kind of different. You guys let me know what you think about it. Now in that same hallway where I want my sideboard to go, I was thinking about hanging some artwork on the wall of the hallway and then putting these on top to kind of like illuminate them and just give a different vibe. I really have not done that in any of my homes before, so I think it would be really fun. Now this is cordless, meaning you don't have to hardwire it into your home, which I love. Means that once you are sick of it, you can just take it right down. It also comes with a remote control and like all the cables to charge it. These are around $55. Tell me what you think. Would you do something like this? I like it. I also have to decide if I want it in this brass or a black color. Okay, so number seven. Now I have told you guys probably way too many times that I really want to go ahead and redo my home into a modern organic with a touch of feminine glam. So in my den area, the family room, I really want a set of two chairs there to go opposite of the sofa that I plan on getting. So I saw these chairs and I absolutely love them. Now these are $469.99, so they aren't cheap. However, you get a set of two. Well, I mean, technically that isn't just super expensive, but you know what I mean. Now they are swivel accent chairs, they are upholstered, and they look super comfortable, and they have a really high rating. So I don't know, I'm really thinking about it. What do you all think? Number 8. So I told you previously that I wanted to go modern organic. So you know that's going to be a lot of neutrals. So unfortunately, the sofa doesn't really fit in with that, but I had to show it to you because this has been on my wish list for so long. I am so in love with burnt orange right now. I did actually a video on that in the past, and I just love this sofa. It's something about that kind of really like bubble cushions. I find myself drawn to that. The rounded edges, I find myself drawn to that, and you can't really see it well, but this is actually like the teddy bear fabric, or the teddy fabric they call it. So it's going to be really soft and really plush. This is about $500, but if this is in your color scheme, this is definitely an option for you. Okay, number 9, we are almost done. So this is an example of a sofa that I'm really thinking about getting. Now this is going to be, once again, the sofa with the like rounded edges and the rounded cushions, and for some reason I am just so drawn to this. Doesn't this just look so comfortable? I've never physically sat on one, so I'm not for sure how it is, but I love it. If it came in like a sectional, I would be all on top of that. Now this is $8.99, but like I said, I love the way it looks, and it's that same teddy bear fabric, so I don't really know how I feel about that, but I am willing to try, and yeah, my vision is starting to really come together. And finally, number 10, I just decided to stop it here. I had so much more to show you, but I didn't want this video just to be super long for no reason. So this is a swivel barrel chair, and I showed you the 2 chairs I was thinking of previously. I wanted to show you this too. I was thinking about maybe just getting 2 of them. These are $139.99 a piece to use in my family room. The only thing I'm a little concerned about, which is why I haven't just pulled the trigger yet, is that they don't seem very high. When I watch videos of these chairs, they kind of hit mid-back, and I think especially if we have taller people over, they may be a bit small. I don't know how comfortable these would be, so I'm definitely debating on it. They have great reviews. Now they swivel. I think they are really cute. Also, this is in that teddy Sherpa like fabric upholstery as well. I don't know if that is just super popular right now, so everything is in that, or I don't know if subconsciously I'm just drawn to that. I've never just set out just to search for that, but that seems to be a lot of the materials for the items that I am picking. Let me know if you have that fabric in your home and how it's holding up. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Let me know down below in the comments section, which style do you really resonate with the most? Now, if you want to see more videos, check out one of these featured here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.